If you're struggling to build your email list, tired of posting on social media with no results, or just want a predictable way to grow your business online, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Gina Bobek, full-time marketer and digital coach. After 6 years in affiliate marketing, coaching, and running traffic, here's what I found out. Success online comes down to just two things: a great offer plus a reliable traffic source. And believe me, I've tried everything: blogging, posting daily on social media, growing a YouTube channel, running solo ads, chasing TikTok trends. But even with all that, I was still frustrated. Too much time, too many unknowns. I never knew where my next lead or sale would come from. That all changed when I started using Facebook ads to build my email list. Now I get daily leads on autopilot. I know exactly how much to spend, how many subscribers I'll get, and even estimate how many sales I'll make each day. And it all starts with just $5 a day in ad spend. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building a real list building machine for your digital business, meet the Facebook Leads Blueprint, my step-by-step strategy to help you get leads and sales without overwhelm. This mini course gives you a proven shortcut to build your own lead generation funnel using Facebook lead ads, even if you've never run ads before. I've already spent the time and money testing what works, so you don't have to guess or start from scratch. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing your email list and your business, click below to grab the Facebook Leads Blueprint.